Hi friends, today I am going to explain about merge conflicts in Git. For example, two developers working into the same branch. In that scenario, we are facing the merge conflicts error. For example, developer 1 and developer 2 both are working on future development branch. Okay, here developer 1 working on same project and same file. This is the file. Okay, for example, developer 1 going to pull the latest code. Here is working on future development branch. Okay, and as well developer 2 also working on same project and same file. He is also going to pull the latest code. Okay, now developer 2 started working on conflict file. as i am as I'm developer, I'm writing. Okay, is something writing, something developing. Okay, now come back to the developer 1. Developer 1 also working on same line. Okay, developer 1 started working on here. Okay, he is also saved his code. After then developer 1 developer 2 both are development is completed and both are working on same branch, both are working on same file. First developer 1 wants to push his latest code into the this master branch, future development branch. Now developer 1 git status, so git add -all. Okay, now git status git commit -m, minus m, added new code into the development branch. Okay, developer 1 pushed his latest code into the development branch. That is developer 2 also going to push his latest code. Okay, but he is forgot to pull the latest code from the branch. In that scenario, now developer 2 git status, he is also working on same file, he is also started same line, everything. Git add -all, git commit -m, added new code. Okay, so now git commit. Okay, is going to push developer 1, maybe developer 1 already he pushed his latest code into the development branch. As same way developer 2 also trying to push his code into the development branch. In that scenario, fetch first is rejected because latest code available into the development branch, but developer 2 not pull the latest code, is facing some issues. Now developer 2 wants to do, he need to pull the latest code. Git pull. Now what happened here, we getting the merge conflicts errors. Okay, now developer 2 wants to do, he go to the development page, developer 2 page. Okay, he go to this project workspace. This is the developer 2 here. He open this config same page, and here you can see, you can observe, this is the conflicts analyzed. Both are same place. This is the middle, this is the head. Okay, this is the head. Developer 2 on same page, right? Now he need to remove this conflicts from the same page. Okay, after then you need to save this file. Now we can again push the code into the this development branch. Git add -r git commit -m removed conflicts. Now he can push the latest code into the development branch. You can observe now conflicts has been removed. Okay, this is the way to removing the conflicts from the using git. Okay, here you can see this is the development branch, this is the latest commit. So okay, got it. So this is the way to remove the conflicts from git. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you all.